Let's take a look at Chew and Heal's brand of Styptic powder. As everyone knows, if you cut your pet's nails, you never want to go too deep or you'll cut the quick of their nail beds. It can be very painful and very messy. But accidents happen even when you're being as careful as possible, so you always want to have some styptic powder on hand. To use it, the directions tell us to dip a moistened cotton swab into the powder and then to hold the tip of that swab onto the end of the nail for about 5 to 10 seconds. You'll also hear groomers who have a lot of experience using styptic powder saying that they simply take a generous pinch and apply it using both fingers and really pack and push it into the tip of the nail while keeping the pet as calm as possible. But it's a pretty simple product to use. Just keep it dry so it doesn't get clumped up and have it on hand in case you ever need it when clipping your pet's nails. I hope this video provided value in your styptic powder purchasing decision. Thanks for watching.